finally thrown into a war that nobody was destined to win. Uno, dos, 1, 2, 3, 4.
The F4 Phantom. Retired Lieutenant Colonel Cowboy Jake Jackson in the F4 with Bert Zeller from Meridian, Mississippi in the A4. There's Titus Peters, ladies and gentlemen, in the FNC Wildcat from the Tender Meridian Air Force. There's the Skyhawk out there, the A4 carrier land-based attacker, defense suppressed aircraft of Vietnam. Lieutenant Smokey Harris in the FA-18 Hawk. A4 flown by Bert Zeller, ladies and gentlemen. Skyhawk pilots in Vietnam went into battle relying on their ability and on their lightweight nimble attack aircraft. From behind now, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the steep by the F4 Phantom with Harry Day and Jake. The A4 Skyhawk, a single seat of our Grandma's hot rod, and of course the scooter. And here is the scooter. Little 4-point roll out there, flown by Bert F4 Phantom in a high-speed pass. You can always tell the F4 smoke it a little bit. Phantom weighs over 4.5 times as much as the Hellcat fighters. Zeller from Meridian, Mississippi in a vertical roll now. Very slow speed with the gear and everything hanging out of it. Navy and Marine pilots in Vietnam flew more than 100,000 sorties. You can see the tail hook down using to help stop the F4 Phantom coming aboard the boat. Harry Day and Greg Keck coming in for an F4 Phantom strafe pass. He'll put those throttles way up. And be followed by a very, very slow pass by the A4. Here we go, from the right. High speed, strafe pass. And a pull. Look at the rapid roll of the A4. Now they're setting up. Here we go, the photo pass of the F4 Phantom. in the backseat. Bert Zeller and the Meridian from Meridian, Mississippi in the Fusco. The NATO name for it was the Fusco. There's our F4 Phantom, ladies and gentlemen, off the ground. Harry Day in great check with that drag chute out to help slow it down out there.